All right, so we got match play today. It is a 64-man random draw bracket. I'm bowling with Anthony Simonsen. I don't know how that happened. We are bowling all match play. It is on 55 feet. I have no idea, 55 feet, 50 feet, whatever it is. It's hand oiled with a spray bottle. So they're gonna be impossible, super long, and about 80 mils of oil. So you're gonna watch a lot of straight balls, a lot of Brooklyns, a lot of 5-10s, 8-10s, 5-7s, all sorts of horrible breaks that you never see. You can catch them right now. I mean, while you're at it, you might as well subscribe to the channel, join our team right down there. So yeah, join our team, follow us along, and you'll get more tournaments like this. Quite the breaks there. We got the terrible draw first round. We lost to Pete Weber and Shea Bittenbender, which sucks. Being a random draw tournament, that's just part of the deal. Sometimes you get good draws and you bowl people that don't strike a lot. Sometimes you draw Pete Weber and Shea Bittenbender, and that sucks. So now we got the long road through the losers bracket. Hopefully we can bowl all night. won that match. I don't know who we bowled. Pretty decent team. They shot 170 apiece that last game, keep it close. And here we go. I think we're gonna bowl. Steve Novak and his partner Daniel Farish. Some good bowlers here, and we'll see if we can just outscore them because I know the right side's getting a little easier.
Backy. Hopefully he hits the 1-2 this match.
Or the 1-3. We can't forget about the 1-3 pocket that I've been slamming today.
That is true. I think he's hit the 1-3 more than me.
I've hit the 1-3 more than the 1-2, that's for sure.
They're hard. And I want to go home.
All right, we got done with that match. We quick 2 games. The other team struggled a little bit. We bowled pretty well, and now we're on to the last match tonight. It's 11:30 at night. We're starting our match, so we're going to be done at like 1, hopefully. And we need to win this to cash. Otherwise, we'll have started at 10:30 and bowled till 1
For no money.
For actually negative money because we paid a lot. So we need to win this one tonight.
Please.
stuck around this far in the video. We bowled at 10:30 in the morning. We bowled our second match at 3. Then we bowled at 5:30. Well, we were supposed to bowl at 4:30. And then we were supposed to bowl at 6. We ended up bowling at like 7:30. And then our next match was at 10:30. And then our next match was at 12. So we bowled all day. We bowled 11 games, and we made it through to the cashers round. So we need to make a couple more good matches here. Hopefully we can give it a run at this thing in the morning, but we made it through the cashers round. We are still in the losers bracket. We lost our first match and took the absolute longest road by bowling 4 straight matches after that. So we are going to need a lot of strikes, a lot of spare shots, which my spare game left me tonight. During the day, it was pretty good. Tonight, horrible. So got to find a way to grind tomorrow and hopefully come in with a better mindset and a little positive attitude, better mindset, better shot making. So me and Simo tomorrow. Hopefully we're bowling Kevin Chris. Otherwise, they lost tonight. I didn't stick around because it was 12:30 when we got done. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys on the next Snowman Doubles vlog. And until the next one, peace.